Hey everyone, in this session I am going to coach you the Google Ads campaign structure. So whenever you are going to create a campaign, first of all you need to understand the hierarchy of the campaign structure now. So at the top level, this is the level which will come under the umbrella of campaign. So campaign is basically, I would like to say this is the master level now. And under this parent level or master level, there are the child levels will come now. And these child levels, as you can see in this picture, the ad group, the ad group 1 and the ad group 2. What does this mean? So let's suppose you are keep selling the bicycles. So you can create a one ad group with targeting a specific keywords targeted audience, let's say bicycles for kids, and another ad group here you can keep targeting the adult people, the adult audience, and you can keep introducing the bicycles for adult stuff. And under these separate ad groups you can create the multiple ad copies. So you can attract, like, under the collection of kids bicycles, you can further create uh, one ad or two ad or three ad, and the ad can be the image ad or the ad can be the video ads, and keep attracting and offering your audience the different kinds of services. So the ultimate objective is to only to keep grab the attention of your expected target audience now. So similar way, in adult audience you can keep offering the different bicycles offers and their services, and keep creating the multiple ad copies in the form of images, and whosoever will be interested in your product and services, they will be keep visiting and clicking on your image or the ad and directly navigating towards your landing pages now. So this is the complete structure. You must try to keep concentrating your mind whenever you are creating a physical campaign, a pro campaign which will help you to create and generate a lots of leads and lots of sales which you are having a plan now. So in the upcoming sessions, we will be keep creating our campaign, and will be in a similar way which will help you to understand in a better way now. Thank you very much for watching this session.